Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through swapping Solana for the Trump meme coin using the Phantom wallet. So now let's get started. First, you will need to ensure you have the Phantom wallet installed and set up on your device. Phantom is a user-friendly crypto wallet for the Solana blockchain. You can download it from Phantom app or in the Play Store. Next, add Solana to your Phantom wallet. You can purchase Solana on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance and transfer it to your Phantom wallet address. Now open your Phantom wallet and click on the swap icon, represented by two arrows forming a circle. Now in the swap interface, select Sol as the Solana or Sol as the token you want to swap from. Then search for Trump in the token list to swap to. Now enter the amount of Sol or Solana you wish to swap. The interface will display the estimated amount of Trump you will receive. Now review the details including swap fees, slippage tolerance, and once satisfied, click swap to execute the transaction. After the swap is complete, check your wallet's token list to ensure the Trump tokens have been added. And that is how you swap Sol for Trump using the Phantom wallet. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.